In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Squarespace support in just 5 minutes. Whether you're encountering a technical glitch or just need some guidance setting up your website, knowing how to reach out to support is essential. Let's hop right into it and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Open up your web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and click on the login button. It's always a good idea to ensure your login details are up to date to prevent any frustrating delays. Once you're logged into your account, look towards the bottom right corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll notice a help icon, which usually appears as a question mark or something similar. This is your gateway to contacting Squarespace support, so go ahead and click on that icon. You'll be greeted by a menu of various help topics, but what interests us is the direct line to the support team. In that menu, click on the Contact Us option. Clicking this means you're one step closer to getting the direct assistance you seek. After selecting Contact Us, you'll be directed to a new page or window, possibly prompting you to click the Contact Us button once more. Go ahead and do this again, which will enable the live chat box. This chat box is your direct line to the support team, so you're now poised to start a real-time conversation with them. It's important to note that live chat availability depends on Squarespace's operating hours. It's a good idea to check their support hours in advance, especially if you're in a different time zone, to avoid any surprises when you need immediate assistance. If the live chat option isn't available, perhaps you've missed the operating hours, you're not out of luck. Squarespace also offers email support, which can be a great option for less urgent issues or when you prefer to communicate in writing. Just look for the email option on the same support page and follow the relevant instructions to submit your query. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible in your email to expedite the resolution process. And there you have it. Navigating their support system can seem a bit daunting at first, but once you know where to go and what to click on, it becomes a breeze. Whether through live chat or email, the Squarespace support team is there to help you work through any issues. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips.